everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Disha from Food Safety Works. Today we are going to learn about cleaning and sanitization for achieving the food safety culture in your business. Cleaning and sanitization are very important to the system as this allows a healthy and a positive working environment, effective working of the equipment, prevent food poisoning, food spoilage and its wastage, and finally reduction in customer complaint, a good profit and reputation in the market. So, what is cleaning and sanitization? Cleaning is the process of removing the visible dirt and the food particles from the surface, and sanitization is a process helps in reduction of microbial count such as bacteria, virus, while other organisms to the level considered as safe. Let's see how you can set up an effective system to achieve this goal. Develop a master sanitation plan for your premises, covering all the areas, process and equipment. On developing this plan, ensure to address the following. What all needs to be clean? Identify them, for which you should know your area well. Then when to be cleaned? Set the frequency. Who is the person responsible for cleaning? Then how you clean it? Does it need to be disassembled? If so, then how and who will do it? Mainly, there are two methods of cleaning: dry cleaning and wet cleaning. Decide based on the requirement. What chemicals and detergents should I use? Variety of food grade cleaning agents are available in the market. Choose as per your cleaning requirement. Example, for cleaning grills, grill cleaner is available. Acid cleaner are there for removal of intense accumulated stains or oil mark. Don't miss to store chemicals labeled under lock and key. Next comes what dilution is optimal, for which you must ensure to follow manufacturer's instruction. Choose your cleaning tools wisely. For example, cleaning cloth stitched at its corner better than unstitched cloths, or a brighter color scrubber is better than a metal scrubber to avoid any form of hazard in the food product. Store the tools in an appropriate place with color coding and for easy identification. So after cleaning, then comes sanitization, for which there are few recommended methods such as hot water dip above 80 degrees Celsius, steam, hot air, chlorine, iodine dip and food grade chemicals available in the market. Don't forget to maintain the required dilution for an effective and safe result. For example, a vegetable cutting board requires 50 ppm chlorine solution and a non-veg cutting board requires 100 ppm chlorine solution with a contact time of 2 to 3 hours as recommended by FSSAI. Always verify the effectiveness once cleaning and sanitization program is completed, and do take corrective actions on any deviation. There are 6 steps to a systematic approach of cleaning and sanitization process. First step is pre-scrapping. Scrap the leftover and the residue. Second is pre-rinse with water. Third is washing with chemicals or detergent. Fourth is rinse with water. Fifth, sanitize with hot water, chlorine or sanitizing agent. And finally, sixth, air dry. Use only potable water which meets the requirement of IS 10500. Ensure that you and your colleagues working in the food business follow these practices, and in scenarios where deviation occurs, train them or bring the same to the notice of your supervisor, because food safety is everyone's business. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel to receive regular updates. Please do like and share this with your friends if you find this useful. And don't forget to visit our website www.foodsafetyworks.com to see how we can help you. Thank you.